graduation. Oh my God, ito ang picture.
Hi, batchmates. Hi, Bea. Hi, Mon. Hi, Patet. Hi, Anika. Hi, Mara. Hi, Ligan.
42 days before grad. Me also, 42 days. Yay.
42, 41. 41.
Are you serious? 40?
Sexy.
More than that.
Sexy.
But I need another 40
Or 4. Basta before the last day of school.
Next day, no problem.
Hi, you.
Hi, me.
Friends! 41 days before last day of exams. Last day, yeah.
Ay, the video?
Yes. Remember yung kay Miss Odani?
They were really sexy.
Hi, Idol. And my bebes! Hi, bebes! They're sitting on our bench. See? Hi, Nina. They're sitting on our bench. This is the bebe bench. Hi, batchmates. Hi, you're not my batchmates. It's time.
My bebes. Kuya, you're gonna pose for a picture. 1, 2, 3.
It's actually a video.